Designed to take advantage of the beautiful views of the city below, as well as the entire Los Angeles basin, Laurel 2 House is located on a complex multilevel lot overlooking the city of Beverly Hills, inspired by the rich history of modernism in California, in both its plan and material choices. The approach from the street up a steep driveway leads to a generous drive court, and then a relaxed limestone stair leads visitors to the entry of the home. Upon arrival at the glass entry foyer, the view opens up across a skylit stairwell. The main living and dining space opens completely on both sides, allowing for cross-ventilation and the sense of being outdoors, while still sheltered from the elements. The primary tones of the home are comprised of travertine, limestone, and oak. Metal trim, natural stones, and dark woods accent this warm palette. Open in concept and focused around the pool and garden area, the upper level blends seamlessly with its surroundings. The nearby kitchen and family room are more intimate in feel and seamlessly connect to a poolside outdoor covered patio and kitchen area. The main bedroom reached across the stairwell is elevated to add a sense of privacy, while still connecting to the garden by way of a terrace and outdoor fire pit area. The The landscape is fully integrated into the project, with specimen trees and bushes connecting the various outdoor spaces. With glass walls retracting on two sides and a terrific view toward downtown LA, the bedroom and adjacent bathroom appear to float above the city below. Can be accessed directly through the entry. There's a sinuous walnut and limestone-clad staircase leads the residents to the lower level. Under the stairs is a wine cellar. Not far from the stairs, a large room with a warm bar area, entertainment lounge surrounding the fireplace with direct access to the courtyard and views to the west through the adjacent library space. There's also a richly finished media room which opens directly to the center of the entertainment lounge and bar. Here's a look at the floor plan of the home.